quick to share with you about the Dash Everyday Griddle. I ordered this from Amazon for one main reason, which I'm going to share with you in just a second. I want to show you some really unique features, and then the thing that absolutely sold me on this. If you're looking for a griddle, you might want to stick around. First of all, it came with an easy to understand instruction manual, and it has fabulous recipes in it as well. So that was a really nice bonus. I didn't even realize when I was ordering it. It does come with the plug and does need to be plugged in order to be used. I love this front little catch here. This is great for gathering grease or drips from pancake batter or something like that. It also is nice that it pulls out because it's then easy to clean. This has a non-stick surface. They do recommend that you use a little bit of cooking spray and always use non-metal utensils on here so you don't scratch the surface. Okay, and I'm in love with the color, that's another reason. Okay, the main reason that I ordered this, that sets this apart from any other unit I have seen, is this. This entire flat top cook surface comes off, it just lifts off and goes right into the dishwasher. I don't have to scrub this. I don't have to go crazy with it. I literally just pull it off and throw it in the dishwasher. Unlike my old one that I had to scrub while it was warm to get the junk off. So this is very exciting. Cleanup is super easy. That was the main reason I got it. I am loving it. It does a great job with pancakes. You can fry eggs on here. You can even cook burgers. So many uses for the griddle, and the quality is really excellent. What do you think, Stubbs? Yeah, Stubbs agrees. All right, hey, we hope it helps.